Hi guys, this is Sanjay, and we at DesignX Studio have come up with a 6-day design workshop for the design entrance exams. Doesn't matter which entrance exam you're appearing for, this workshop will definitely help you. Now, what is this design workshop all about? So, here are a few details about the workshop. Now, we will have the batch 3 from 4th of Jan to 9th of Jan. Now, every day you'll have access to videos of different topics. Talking about topics, we had done an extensive research about different topics that students face difficulty in. Now, based on that research, we have finalized these particular topics for 5 days. Now, on day 1, you'll have videos on human proportions and perspective. On day 2, you'll have videos on light and shadows and creativity. Likewise, on day 3, you'll have mechanical ability and spatial ability. On day 4, you'll have a lecture on design thinking and problem solving. Day 5 has story writing and color theory. And after each of these videos, you'll have assignments to solve. And now on day 2 and day 4, we have a live session in the evening from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And in the live sessions, we will be discussing how you're going to apply these basics or these advanced techniques in the exam and how you can solve questions in the exam and also how to present your solutions in the exam. Now on day 6, you'll have an expert from our side who will answer all your doubts regarding the exams. So all of this, we have priced it at just $4.99 because we want everybody to have access to this particular workshop. So go ahead and register for the 6-day design workshop today itself. Now with that being said, let's get into the video where we're going to discuss about CEET 2020 question paper.
Third question. Create 2D graphic icons. हाँ ये निफ्ट वालों के लिए बहुत helpful है. 2D graphic icons for each of the images given below. All icons should belong to the same design language or style.
Okay, I want to know your perspective here because I want to see how much you understand this question before we even tell you how it is done.
What is the meaning of design language or style?
Yeah.
Like having a relation between each other.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Having the same kind of
Having a same
or elements.
Same elements. Okay.
The
Same
essence should be seen in every icon of.
Okay, cool. So I have one question. How many of you have seen Google's new icons? How many of you have seen that?
Like the applications one?
Yeah, calendar, drive,
Yeah, I've seen it.
notes, like Keep
Yeah.
and your Meet icon.
Yes, I've seen them.
There's a lot of
Yeah.
controversy that was going on social media regarding that. There were memes, there were a lot of things. Okay. And what here we are supposed to do is pretty close to that. So yeah, perfect. Yeah, so look at that. So there are, on the top line we have different old icons, so which look completely different, and in the lower line we have the new icons which are identical. You can say that okay, these are all from the same family. Okay, so that is what it is given to you in the questions above. In the question above, all the different things are given to you. Okay, you need to make them look like they're from the same family, the icons. Okay, so you need to do what the Google has done recently. This
Yeah.
is what you need to do. That
Yeah.
is the basic solution to this question. Nothing else. Don't listen to any other theory or anything. Okay. I've
Acha.
seen I've seen
Yeah.
a lot of bullshit around this question on the internet. Okay. Don't listen to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, see, I think Kashish said a good thing that same elements. Who said that? Kashish, you said that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's actually very spot on. That see, if you notice, there is these overlaps that are there in every of these icons. If you see the colors, one all yellow is everywhere, green is there, blue is there in every of these. Okay, red is there in the overlaps. So these are the elements: the overlap, the colors. All the lines. If you see, all the lines are overlapping. Green is overlapping with blue, and the intersections. These are intersections, and all these are overlaps. So these elements are consistent in all of them. Okay, so same family, same element, same essence. All of you were correct. Now look at these images. Okay, if you want to take out elements, इसमें से क्या क्या elements निकाल सकते हैं? This starts very narrow and broadens out. Starts very narrow and broadens out.
A kind of radial symmetry.
Radial symmetry, perfect. And बीच में there is a bud. इसमें क्या है कि there is a long shaft and point. It is very broad at the center and gets very pointy when and it is going outwards, not radial symmetry, but you can make it radially symmetrical, but they are mostly pointed. ठीक है, इसमें the important characteristic is this sort of a shape, and it is thorny. If you see this one, I think I also discussed it in one of the previous classes also. इसको देख के what feeling are you getting? It is all sort of an enclosed structure, probably trying to protect this little bud. Okay, and these flowers are very closed. As you can see, these are open flowers. All the petals are visible. इसमें they are all closed. You cannot see them. And this gives a feeling of getting protected. Something like this. Okay. So if I was talking about, say, elements. So elements could be lines. So what I took was lines and shape. The shape of this shape was something like this. Shape was from broad to narrow. No, this was more enclosed. This was more protected. So lines and shape were my elements. You can take different elements also. It's not only restricted to this.
So I had a question. My first class with you was about, I think, the same thing, but it was basically product designing inspired from Taj Mahal. And I messed it up by doing just like the copy of the Taj Mahal. That's all I did. And it was completely wrong. So these questions kind of confuse me that we do need identical elements. But if like ekdam copy types ho jata hai, that I guess like the whole question would be wrong then.
Exactly. See, देखो, there are boundaries to this. अगर exactly copied है, exactly Taj Mahal बनाया है, so you're not taking out the important aspects of it. It has a very restricted capacity. But if you make this Taj Mahal seem like, this Minar is supposed to be a Taj Mahal, then you are out of the boundary. It doesn't resemble Taj Mahal only. It is not inside the boundary. So there are some limits to it, till where you can go. See, when you're talking about elements, elements should compose of recognizable things. इस question में, see, let me first rub this. Yes. Either I can go very simply, कि I'll talk about lines and shapes only, and I will try to complete this thing, complete the flower, or I can take any word associated to it. Okay, suppose, like I told in the previous class also, suppose I associate different words to these, any metaphors or any words I associate. This represents openness. It's an open flower. This might represent something, it is pointed at the ends and it has a long structure. So it represents stability. Or this represents aggressiveness. This represents protected. And this represents, say, all these are closed, isolated, or say introvert. And then I associate elements with these letters. Openness could be opening up. Stability can be just a line and this. And aggressiveness could be, say, this. Protected could be this. And introverted could be, say, this. Now these are the icons that I make in the exam.
Okay, so my approach would be a little different to this question.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So I'm saying, just 1 minute I'll take.
Yeah, sure.
These all attempts are way out of the box. If I associate this with this, it is good if I'm, if the question was represent the graphical expression of each of the image.
Or even feelings, actually.
Or feelings, then this would be the perfect attempt. One important aspect was you have to make icons.
Exactly.
Icons क्या होते हैं? जो मेल वाला होता है bathrooms में. Sorry, this looks like a rapster. Female वाला is like this. Now, क्या होता है? Icons are common. It is for the common people, for the कॉमन जनता, जो अनपढ़ भी है, इलिटरेट भी है, उसको भी समझ आ जाए क्या है. दिस इज मैन, दिस इज वुमेन. अब कोई अनपढ़ है, उसको ये समझ में नहीं आएगा ये कैक्टस या फिर ये कोकोनट का ट्री कैसे है यार, मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा. Icons are something that is recognizable, something that is common. Graphical expressions are different. I think now it will be clear to you. If I am making a coconut ka tree ka icon, ki yaar, suppose this is kept outside a restaurant, कि यहाँ पे ना कोकोनट से बना ग्रेवी मिलता है. So कोकोनट का कुछ अगर आइकन बनाना है, so it should be recognizable, कि अगर कोई भी देखे, should be able to recognize कि हाँ यार ये कोकोनट है. Now this is the icon that I made, and this is the image that was presented.
I got it.
Okay. So I'm able to recognize, of course I've added few of elements that were mine, lines and shapes, but associated with this, anyone should be able to recognize this as a coconut. Okay, so understand the difference between icons and graphical expressions of feelings.
So one small thing to add to that is how do you attempt that in the exam? Okay. It becomes a little complicated when you have to make icons in the exam which have to be very consistent and have the same design language, etc., etc. Simplify the object. First thing,
Yes.
identify what defines that object. There are characteristics of that, but of every object given to you, every flower given to you. Cactus has those thorns. The coconut tree has different type of leaves. So what stands out here is the type of leaves, basically. Okay, the type of petals. So you make that shape. First flower mein it's a very it's not a smooth petal also. It has some folds in it.
Yes.
Okay, it has some folds in it. Now in the flower below it, right below it, it's a very smooth petal. Also the one right next to on the right side is also has a smooth petal, the closed one. Then the coconut tree, it is very sharp. Okay, you could also call it without any lines or breakages, it's very sharp. And cactus, it has one major stem, beech mein maan lo stem hai, and then you have those thorns. Okay, so once you have identified these things, you can now let's go back to, sir, can you go back to the Google wala icons? Now then you can imagine your elements like you see here. This sir was explaining overlap, the colors, everything. Then you can think about where these things are overlapping or what is common in these identified characteristics of different objects. Okay, then you will be able to easily not go wrong for this solution. You might not end up making the perfect solution, but you will not go wrong.
Yes. Let me also share an example.
Can we approach it in the doodling form, like the pictures are shown in very complex things, so we can make like Sanjay sir said that in doodling we make very few lines, but the essence is given in that.
Perfect. Definitely try that.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely do that.
But
Achha.
again, it has to be of the similar family, of the same family. Okay, this is a very good example. Go on, sir.
अब देखो, suppose this is one style, ये वाला पहला practice है. What he has taken is एक तो overlap है. See, अब seed के exam में NIFT में can use colors. Seed में I would say do not use colors. I don't think because shaded. You can shade it कि एक part shade कर दिया, एक part ऐसे रहने दिया. Suppose उसके बाद you are making a coconut का tree. Okay, suppose this follows the same sort of a language. Okay, getting it. One part is shaded, and what he has used is only shapes. सिर्फ shapes use कर रहे हैं और lines use कर रहे हैं. This small thing, this rectangle, this also is an element representing the ground. This is a separate style. This is a separate design language. Continuous line. This is a separate design language.
Yeah.
If you want to keep it pura shaded, this is a separate design language. One more design language is, people what they do is बीच में gaps दे देते हैं, lines में breakage, and अंदर detail देते हैं. They don't complete the lines, they have gaps in this. These are the different design languages for icons you can take. Basically what Prasiddhi was saying, you simplify the thing as details as possible. This is very good example. Straight lines and curves, lines and curves. Okay, so if you are taking this language, अब इसमें क्या है डिफरेंस ही देखो, इसमें पूरा रेक्टेंगुलर ग्राउंड है, इसमें सिर्फ एक लाइन रिप्रेजेंट्स द ग्राउंड. So these are the differences in the design languages.
And make sure that if you're going for one of the किसी एक के लिए अगर ground use कर रहे हो, so I would suggest them use it for all the others.
Yes, use it for all the others and represent what is the difference.
Yeah. Cool. I think that is a very good example. So this site is called Flat Icon. You can refer to it, Flat Icon. And there's also one called Noun Project. You can refer to that. These are the two sites that we use also in the industry. So Flat Icons or Noun Project, you can refer to that. It'll give you a good understanding of how icons can be created. Okay.
Yes. For NID, NIFT you are giving, this is a very important question.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have one more question for this.
Yes.
Is it important that the silhouette we are making, like if we are simplifying the structure, so it should be like it should have some meaning, or it should be connected to some logo or some object?
No.
Okay.
Basically, see, language follow कर लो बस. अगर cactus है, sorry, coconut का है, so like you have one plain ground. उसी के next is a cactus. This is a coconut. Cactus है तो cactus grows on the ground, doesn't have a stem, so you can represent it this way. Third plant was this. It has stems. This could be the third. Fourth one could be this is a very open sort of plant. So these could be your very simple icons. I hope you get the essence. ठीक है, got it? Now attempt it in your way. इसमें कुछ नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. Very simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Anya, any doubts? You're awfully quiet today.
No, I was just for this icon one, I was thinking like when we just use like the basic shape, like how you do just an outline around the flower, then, and if we just make that into an icon, is there any way that, is it like compulsory that we have to add some like uniqueness, like a shape or some dashes in the middle?
Do that. See, let me just invent a new terminology. 90-10 rule. 90% people will attempt it in a certain way, 10% people will attempt it in a very different way. 90% people are doing this. You do a separate thing.
Okay.
And this basically you're carrying it forward to all the icons, right? So
yeah,
it's going to be really nice, and when the examiner like sees this in the first glance, he'll be very happy.
Yeah. Now notice the difference between this and this. So the 90-10 rule. Have some your originality, have some your element being pushed into the question or your attempt.
Okay, I'd like to add something here. Now Ashish sir added those lines right inside the petal. Now the same lines you can add to the cactus outside. Okay.
Yes.
So you're taking those lines, using it differently in different flowers or plants, in different icons. So that is making it a family. Like the Google had overlapping as one element, you have these lines as one of the elements. So that is the importance of this.
Okay, got it, Anya?
Yeah.
Okay.